Okay.
So during last session, you have seen what is Arduino IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for simulating the Arduino or dumping or uploading the code to the Arduino. So in this session, we will have the real-time simulation on the kit of this Arduino. So first of all, we will see that is the kit is going to be act like a USB to your laptop. Okay. So accordingly, I am going to connect the kit as a USB to this laptop. So once I connect the kit as a USB to laptop, here I am going to see that is one LED which is on. So which gives us indication that the kit is on to use. So now you can upload any program to the kit. So now we will see the live procedure to upload the program. So in previous sessions you have seen in detail how to write the codes or how to use the code for our first practical, that is nothing but blinking a onboard LED. So onboard LED pin in Arduino board is at pin number 13. So accordingly, now we will try to upload the same code that we have learned in the previous session, so that you will get that is deep understanding or close insight into this practical. Okay. So this is nothing but the Arduino platform where I am going to verify the code now. So after verification, here it gives me the message that done compiling, means no error is present in this code. So now it's ready to upload to the kit. Okay, so here what is the expected output from this program? That is, in previous session we have seen the program that pin mode selection, that is nothing but pin 13 is nothing but onboard pin that we have selected in our setup, and in our loop we have turned that is onboard LED on and off. So by writing the code that we have learned in previous session. So now we will upload the code to this kit. So before uploading, make sure that you have to go towards the tools and make sure that the board is connected. So here I am getting the indication that Arduino Uno board is connected. So it's going to give me indication. So now you are ready to use the board. Okay, so another indication will be the LED is on. If the LED is not on, then something is wrong with the connection or with the kit. So you have to troubleshoot that. So now second step will be on which port you are going to attach the kit as a USB. So here for my laptop it's coming as a COM5, and here also it's going to show me the indication at the right corner of the Arduino IDE, that is COM5 has been selected. So you have to check that both of these are same, otherwise the problem may occur that incorrect port selection. So now we are ready to upload the code on the kit. So here the second button is going to give me the upload. Okay, so now I am pressing this upload. So once I upload the code, here you can see that the pin number 13, which is onboard LED, is going to be turned on and off. Okay, so here in this program we have provided delay of 1000. So with a delay of 1000 it's going to be on, and with a delay of 1000 it's going to be off. Blue. This blue indication shows us the onboard LED, which is at pin number 13. So if you want to control the timing of on and off, again you can control through this delay command. Here it's 1000. Okay, so if you want to control, then you can give the different delay timing and one can control that.